Typically we'll use a dissolvable suture, like Repeat, but I want you to see the stitch. So with skin grafts, you stitch from island to shore. This is the island, this is the shore. You stitch this way so your graft does not fly away. Take a good bite. So when you pull, it stays in the wound bed. My first 2 stitches, 1 or 2, are interrupted, and then I just do it as continuous. A 4-0 or a 5-0 depending on what body part I'm on. It says interrupted. This little trick from our suturing, because I'm going to do a lot of cutting, and it's here. And then you do this one. Now I said you stitch island to shore. Let me show you what happens when you stitch shore to island. So that's the island, that's the shore. Go a bit smaller on that bite. And that's the island. You pull the suture and it pulls everything away. You don't want that, that'll pull the graft away, you're more likely to lose it. So you stitch from island to shore, not shore to island.